Okay, guys, let's begin as if I haven't filmed this 500 more times. Give me 10 minutes and I'll prove you that what you desire is already yours. So you already have what you want. Sounds good? I assume you said yes. Let's get into it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
What do you desire? I mean, really, what do you desire? Let's say you want a loving, committed relationship with your specific person. What do you really desire? Like, really? Do you want to feel like you're lovable, adored, cherished, you're enough, you're deserving? It is not about that specific person, right? It is not about this guy or this girl or that type of relationship. No, I believe it's about that feeling that you're enough, you made it, you're deserving, you're lovable. Yeah, that knowing, being sure, being validated. Huh? Yeah, we are seeking validation to confirm ourselves that I am enough and I'm deserving of this. This is what we really want, okay? It's not about that type of relationship or person. These are just intermediaries. We want to feel a certain type of feeling, or we want to believe about ourselves that we are enough. Eventually, at the core, at the root of it, it's always about being enough and whole. Knowing that you deserve it. So if what I want is that kind of feeling and knowing, what is holding me back to feel that way right now? What is holding you back from feeling that way, believing that you are enough just as you are, knowing that you are lovable, you are beautiful, you deserve to be cherished? I'll give you like 5 seconds. Comment below what is keeping you, holding you back. Does it really depend on having a person telling me that I am lovable, or that I'm beautiful enough, or that do I need flowers, gifts? I don't think so. It's a decision. It's a feeling. It's going on in my body, not in the 3D. If I feel it somewhere here, if I believe it inside somewhere here, then it should be available to me. Like, it's not outside, right? Okay, so it's a decision, and I can feel that way, and I can decide that I'm enough. Okay, back to the question. Why don't I feel that way? What is holding you back from feeling all that beautiful things? What is it that you need to know, be sure of, to feel that way, to let yourself feel that way, to allow yourself to believe that you are enough? Isn't it that nagging voice in the back of your head that says, you're not enough? No, you don't deserve it yet. You have to work harder. You have to do more. You need to chase it. Now, everybody else can have it, but not you. You need to become a certain way to feel adorable, beautiful, lovable. No, This reality, no, it sucks. No, you can't be happy with that yet. It should change. You should change. It's not enough. You get it? That voice is the voice of your mind, but a specific part of it. Your subconscious mind. Telling you a story from your past. A story about a time when you felt pain, when you were heartbroken, disappointed, because the way you were wasn't cherished. It wasn't loved unconditionally. It wasn't deemed successful by society. Yeah, whatever happened in the past, you've been through some traumas, you've been through some heartbreaks, and you learned that just as you are, it is not enough. Because your heart was once broken, you were disappointed. And our minds are trying to save us from another heartbreak, another disappointment. And that's okay. But it has an idea. It is trying to convince us that if you become a certain way, if you do more, or if you change the reality and have that car, have that person, then you're gonna be enough. So it is building blocks, building barriers to what I already am, which is enough as I am. And it is building barriers to my satisfaction, fulfillment, contentment with my reality and with myself. And it is forcing me to pull out a mask and don't show my real self, hide it, to deserve certain things. You see? The mask, your ego self, your learned identities, whatever you believed about yourself that wasn't your truth. So these are the barriers. And yeah, so I ask you again, what is keeping you from feeling that you're enough, that life is just perfect the way it is? You are just perfect the way you are. It's that voice, right? Even when I just tell you that, it starts complaining, it starts criticizing you. It says, no, look at you, you don't deserve it. Look at you, you couldn't do that. Look at you, you were a failure, you don't deserve it. Yeah, it's the mind. My mind speaks. Mind speaks and speaks and speaks. It has a lot of stories, a lot of memories. And it has a lot of barriers. It can build barriers to what we already have, what we already are. And if you can silence that voice for a second, let go of these beliefs, let go of these past stories, release all of that, okay? Just release all of that for a second and feel like a fresh new view and decide that I am enough, okay? Doesn't matter what happened in the 3D or what the 3D looks like, does not matter. I decide that I am enough. And I have that feeling somewhere here inside my body, not outside, not in the 3D. That feeling and that knowing is inside of me. So can I allow myself to feel it? Can I let myself to know and trust that I am enough? I think you can. If you silence your mind, yes, you can. When the mind is silenced and the limiting beliefs are released, past stories released, there is only you and life. And you decide what you want to feel, and you decide how you feel, you decide who you are. It is only in that true presence that you can tap into that feeling of wholeness, being enough, deserving, abundance. When the mind shuts down, there is nothing to criticize, there is nothing to be unsatisfied with, there is nothing to force or change. Only then you feel and know that this present moment is already gorgeous. I am already enough. Because I'm not that mask, not that cover. I'm not who I learned to be. I am what I choose to be. And I choose to be enough. I choose to be whole. I choose to be lovable.